Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for checking out the channel today and joining us on this episode. Okay, so we're at the River Wire again and the part near Skipool, and we're out with the FMS Chevy Blazer K5, which is just been released in the UK. Well, it came in about last week. Now you may have already seen the video that I did on the Rock Hobby Magnum, which is the same company basically. They're licensed ones and the Rock Hobby ones generally not licensed. Anyway, if you haven't seen the video on this one, I'll put a link into the description of this video and you can go and check it out, and we will be customising this one soon. So if you've not seen that, go check that one out. It's a really nice truck. Anyway, put that out of the way because we don't need it for this one. Anyway, we've got this Chevy Blazer K5. Now, this is on the fcx24 chassis. I didn't get the original release, which was the Power Wagon, but there's been loads of videos on that. And I must admit, I really did fancy getting one. And then when I saw a few videos coming out a few months back of the Chevy Blazer coming out, I thought, yeah, gotta get hold of one of them. This is a 1/24th scale sort of mini crawler trail truck, and it is quite a big 1/24th scale. As the truck I had in my hand a minute ago, that's 1/18th, and they're almost the same size. Anyway, so this is, let's say it's 2-speed transmission, portal axles. I think it's bearings all around, and I think it even has little universal drive shafts or CVDs on the front. So you've got all your batteries. To be honest, there are loads of videos on this already with the specs. So if you want a really in-depth video, I'm sure you can even check out Tom Lee RC. He's done extensive videos on this. But I did want to get one because they're really cool. Now, mine came from Inside Line Models, so a big thanks to them for getting this one for us. Now, I just thought, I brought the box with me, and I thought, why have I brought it? I did bring it for a reason. That's your box for the K5 Blazer. It comes in 3 colour options, as you can see there. There's an all black one, orange and white, and a brown and yellow. Now actually I really like the brown and yellow, but Inside Line had the black and the orange, so I went with orange because I thought, to be honest, it's going to stand out well on the camera. And does it mention specs? It probably does. Yeah. Well, I'll read you what it says on the box anyway. It's a ready to run model, 2-speed transmission, hard body. It's got a lighting system, metal portal axles, metal gear steering servo, 4-link suspension, high strength integrated nylon frame, rapid separation car body, painted, optional modification parts, and it comes with a light rack for it and roll bars for the back. You can unscrew the roof. There's 4 screws on the bottom of the body. You can undo that and the roof will come off, and you can put like roll bar and lights on, and you even get an optional bumper that you can fit as well. Now they're in the box. Now I was going to show you them, but I'm not going to now because well, it's doing its best to rain on us. So anyway, let's give this a bit of a blast. Now I find with these, trying to look at the instructions, oh god, have I not even plugged it in? Oh well, I haven't even plugged it in. What I'm divvy. Anyway, time to show you the quick release battery holder. 2 clips on the front and the rear, and it just comes undone. Really good. I thought I'd plug this in. I was charging it up this morning, as you do. Come on, how's it been alright? There we go. There, lash. So luckily the body shell goes on really easily. Just clips on. A bit like a quick release system. It's similar to the Traxxas TRX4 one. Anyway, there we go. Oh, I'm gonna have to sand because I've got cramp. Woo. And I'm clearly in high gear at the minute. Right, I'll tell you what we want to see. Let's see if I can get the lights on. Press the, is it that one? Yay. Right, if you press the, when the car's on, if you press the bind button, the little lights come on the front. Oh, they did do. Are they on? No, they're not, are they? There you go. I thought I turned them on. So, yeah. Okay, so on your on your handset, basic one, you've got channel reverse, your bind button, steering trims and dual rates, and throttle trim as well on off. And on the side, channel 3. In that setting, you're on low gear, high gear at the top. In the middle, it's like having neutral, so you can't go anywhere. Right. Anyway, let's. I've got it in low gear, and let's give it a little crawl. Now, I reckon with having the roof on, it does make it a little more top heavy. So you could make it less top heavy and put the roll bars on instead. Low gear is super low, which is ace. That is pretty damn cool. That. Now, I had the, as you know, the Traxxas TRX4, which I actually really liked, but money-wise, this for me is better than the TRX4. Definitely. I mean, this has got portals out the standard. It's got a selectable transmission as well. With the Traxxas, you had to put on the optional gearbox. So, you know, this for me is a much better option, and it's cheaper as well. But yeah, but it does look super cool. The body's fantastic as well, and yeah, it does look rather good. Just going around. Inside, I'm dying because it's getting all mucky. But you know, this is what it's for. So, and it just looks super scale as well. It just goes through it dead easy. Brilliant. Now, just to give you an idea, I'm going to select it into high range, and you can see how quick it's quite quick. You can walk around with this one. You know, it's almost a little. There's not much finesse with it when it's on high gear, but you know, it's definitely quite nippy. Anyway, that's that on there. I prefer to use it on the low gear. So yeah, it just looks brilliant. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet. I don't know if I'll be keeping this one or modifying it. We'll see. But it is certainly cool. I would like to. So it's totally stock. I've got no wheel weights in it or anything. So and maybe we'll do a few things to it as well. But yeah, I just had to get one to see what it was like, to try the chassis out and compare it to the TRX4, and it is superb. So you can say you can make these super capable. They are capable anyway. But there you go. I'm going to bring it back to me because I'm not going over there. Anyway, I've now made that thoroughly mucky. That's great. But yeah, so there's the first little run. There you go. That is the FMS Chevy Blazer K5. I've also seen some videos coming out of some special like chrome editions, which look really cool as well. So I'm assuming it's just a limited edition body and stuff, and maybe some extra optional goodies on it. I don't know. I've just seen pictures. But yeah, anyway, there we go. Oh, I forgot to mention as well, you do get a few stickers for different number plates, and I swapped mine over to Tennessee plates. There you go, and I've just wiped really muddy water all over my hands. Right, anyway, we're going to leave this one here. Hopefully this will feature on again in another video. We'll see what we're going to do with it. And I'm just thought then, Oh yeah, just so you know, I forgot to mention, the motor is a FMS Power Dash RS S130 motor. Because I did have someone asking me on the Magnum what motor was in it. Anyway, so that's what motor's in that. Anyway, yeah, we're going to leave this one here. Thank you so much for checking this video out. Much appreciated always. I hope you enjoyed it. And take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Again, just before I go, massive thanks to Inside Line Models. You can check them out at www.insidelinemodels.com. Tons of awesome RC stuff, links in the video description as well. But massive thanks to them for hooking me up with this FMS Chevy Blazer. Anyway, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.